Today's lesson is on the formulas for the volume of prisms. The two prisms that we will be looking at are the rectangular prism and the triangular prism. Volume is a three-dimensional measurement that shows the amount of space occupied by an object. The formula for the volume of any three-dimensional prism is the area of the base times the height, where the capital B represents the area of the base and the H represents the height of the object. The volume of a rectangular prism can be found using the general formula for volume, the area of the base times the height. If you notice with a rectangular prism, the base is a rectangle, and the formula for a rectangle area is length times width. So if we multiply together the length, width, and height of this rectangular prism, we get a volume of 12 times 4 times 5, which equals 240 centimeters cubed. Notice we must cube our unit of measurement when we're solving for volume because volume is a three-dimensional measure. The volume of a triangular prism can be found by cutting in half a rectangular prism. Notice that when you cut in half a rectangular prism, you're given two congruent triangular prisms with the same length, width, and height as the original rectangular prism. The volume of a triangular prism is equal to the volume of half of a rectangular prism. Therefore, the formula can be written length times width times height divided by 2. The volume in this example would be 12 times 4 times 5. Multiply the top first when you have a fraction, and we get 240 divided by 2. This gives us an answer of 120 centimeters cubed. Here's another example of the volume of a triangular prism. Again, the formula length times width times height divided by 2. We substitute the values 8 times 12 times 3 divided by 2. Multiply the top first, we get 288 divided by 2, and that means the volume is 144 centimeters cubed. 3 dimensions, cube the units. The summary of today's lesson, we found the formula for the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. And the formula for the volume of a triangular prism is length times width times height divided by 2. Thank you.